In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Anthropic API key in Cursor AI 2025. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you get set up in no time. Let's begin by launching Cursor AI. You can do this by looking for its icon on your desktop or within your applications folder, depending on your operating system. Once you've opened Cursor AI, you should find yourself on the main dashboard. This interface is designed to be user-friendly, so don't worry if you're not familiar with all the features yet. From here, our next step is to access the settings of Cursor AI. To do this, look for a gear icon, usually situated at the top right corner of the application window. Clicking on this should bring up a sidebar or a new window with various settings options. Once you're in the settings menu, your task is to navigate to the models section. The settings area can contain many different options, so be sure to scroll or browse through carefully until you find it. This section is crucial as it houses all the configuration settings related to the different models you might use within Cursor AI. Now, focus your attention on scrolling further down within this models section until you locate the Anthropic API keys area. It's important not to rush through this part, as you want to ensure you're in the right place before entering sensitive information. After you've found the Anthropic API keys section, it's time to paste your API key. Before doing so, double-check that you have copied the correct key from your clipboard to avoid any errors. Once you've pasted it into the appropriate field, you'll see a Verify button nearby. Click on this button to validate your key. This step is crucial as it confirms that the key you've entered is both accurate and active, allowing you access to the Anthropic services integrated with Cursor AI. After clicking Verify, keep an eye out for a success confirmation. This might appear as a pop-up message or a highlighted note near where you entered the API key. Seeing this confirmation is a good sign that everything has gone smoothly, and your key is officially recognized and active within Cursor AI. In summary, you've learned how to efficiently add your Anthropic API key to Cursor AI 2025 by launching the application, navigating through settings, locating the correct section, and verifying your key for successful integration. With these steps completed, you're ready to leverage the full potential of your AI tools. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a quick refresher.